Hi and welcome to this video brought to you by Blueberry. My name is Jonathan Kibler, Senior Market Analyst. Today's Forex trading analysis is going to be on US dollar CAD. Currently, price of US dollar CAD is breaking through the one spot 39.75 highs, which was the range high that formed back on the 14th of October 2022. So in this video, I'm going to explore why this is happening and what could potentially happen next for the currency pair. The Canadian dollar is what's known as a commodity-based currency, with its largest exports being oil, natural gas, and cars. The price of oil and the price of US dollar CAD have an inverse relationship. So if the price of oil falls, we typically see the US dollar CAD price rally. Currently, oil prices are falling back towards prior lows around the $66.75 level. And if this momentum was to continue, then dollar CAD prices could push through the 1.4 barrier. Fundamentally, in Canada, the central bank is cutting interest rates, cutting it from the highs of 5% down to 3.75% this year. A sharp slowdown in Canada's inflation rate, coupled with higher unemployment levels, being the main driver. So what could happen next? Let's take a look at the hedge fund positioning. On the Canadian dollar futures, we can see that hedge funds are selling the Canadian dollar aggressively. Typically when this happens, the market can form a short-term market bottom. This was similar to levels back in August, where we saw price top at the 139 and reject low. Seasonal analysis also shows us that the Canadian dollar can go through a short-term bullish period at the end of November through to December. Finally, retail sentiment. Retail positioning shows us that they are heavily short US dollar CAD right now, and typically they are wrong, so the market is doing the opposite of what they are doing. However, it comes to a point where they're selling at extremes and then they realise they're wrong. A good point of this could be price breaking through those range highs. They may get out of these short positions and think about buying. That could then flip the switch here for US dollar CAD prices. So in summary, dollar CAD prices are breaking out of the range highs, and it doesn't look like it's going to stop just yet. However, we need to keep an eye on our hedge fund positioning, seasonal analysis, as well as retail sentiment in order to understand when the US dollar CAD price could potentially top.